It's the season 2 sparkle. This episode is sponsored by Truff Kitchen. I have been using truff hot sauce on everything to eat. In the morning, I like it on Benedict. Lunch, I add it to my sandwich or salad for a kick. And for dinner, well, Mexican burritos, tacos, and lots more, of course. Anyways, truff is one of the newest... It's one of the newest sauces and one of the newest spices to be included for the what they call best flavor entourage. Having a look at the box, it looks like it's found at the Roosevelt Field Mall, and opening it is easy. It's like a shoebox. Inside, there are three different sauces. There's hot sauce, truffle salt, and truffle oil. You can place it on almost anything, even on fries and Mexican nachos. Anything. Truff is spelled truff.com. It's great to add to your favorite delectables. If you're like me and love truffles, well, this sauce is for you. They also make this oil for pasta and other dishes. Let's have a look at the other sauces as well. Let's see what's in this box. Oh, another hot sauce. And this time, as you have noticed, the caps on these bottles are diamond-shaped. Well, they either can be black diamond or white diamond, especially if it's olive oil. Let's see what's in the last box. And it says pasta sauce. Shoot, sorry about that. This is called pasta sauce, everyone. And well, and it's filled with truffle. This same kind of vegetable I've been telling you guys about for quite a while.
It's a mushroom.
Well, mostly it's mushroom. And in the back, in this box, we got like black truffle mayonnaise for it comes in two different sauces, like spicy mayonnaise and regular mayonnaise. Truff sells this in many different ways. They sell it in many different flavors. Hopefully I'll get to see it all at the company that makes this. If you are interested in ordering it as a gift, you can go to 8TR. Well, shoot. Well, actually, this is the URL for getting the package. You can pause it if you want, and, well, it's not going to last forever. This will save you $10 off your order. The code is below for you. Happy holidays to all. I appreciate you subscribing to my channel, and also for liking the videos. I have posted every day for my New Year's resolution. Hope to get 100,000 subscribers. Maybe you can help me make this happen. Also, do you like what I do in a day? Would you like to see what I eat in my salad? What characters would you like to see me to draw? Also, if you're looking for a healthy diet, check out Sweet Green. It's the best salad place that I've ever worked for. And, well, it's helped me get into shape. And, well, it helped my cholesterol go down. Sweet Green is my new job. And here's the evidence. This is my new hat. And, well, I have my specialty for making a new salad. I add kale, apples, onions, sweet potatoes, blue cheese, avocados, almonds, and red pepper. And special sauces like Green Goddess, and also another one that has cranberries in it. Also, there's olive oil. Ooh, I like that one. Kale has a lot of vitamins. That's how I draw my salad. Anyhow, that's all for now, everyone. Now let's draw.